Shíofra agus hisismóirí an seachtain seo tá jogabar cabbageal a séideag, Breithlá Sheáin agus Shíofra. It is Sean and Shíofra's birthday, agus fecim go bhfuil siad a lig a hasach sa picture show. I see that they're all very happy in this picture. Mar tá siad a ceiliúrú. They're celebrating a ceiliúrú. Breithlá Sheáin díis do Shíofra agus do Sheáin. So they're celebrating the 6th birthday of Shíofra and Sean. Agus fecim go bhfuil siad a lig san ionad siamsaíochta. I see that they're in a play centre, mar tá na páistí ag buint sult as an crack agus an spree na sláinan agus na luscan. They're enjoying the crack and the fun on the slides and on the swings, agus fecim go bhfuil a lean an rudí deasa sa picture show. We see that there's lots of lovely things in this poster. Ahan bhliain ceiliúr muid ar mreithla pásanta. Every year we all celebrate our own personal birthdays. Agus tarlíonn siad seo dátaí difriúla le linn na bliana. These happen at different dates during the year. Le linn na míana na bliana during the months of the year. Tichin de bhreithla ar lá áirithe, your birthday falls on a certain day. So in you and seachtain seo, today this week we are looking at Breithlá Sheáin agus Shíofra, but by my current ceist thugat céan dat de bréthe atá agad, what's your date of birth, agus céan lá a tichin de bhreithla, what day does your birthday fall, agus by my jigjanu ar mreithla leihananta and we boaster more sa rang. We'll be doing all our birthday chart, big birthday chart out together in the classroom, boys and girls. Agus beimid a cursus our natty person the féin will be putting up our own personal dates. So Rahmach Fridge and Vukla Nuad and Shaktam will look through the new words of the week. Balloon, Cartha Breha, birthday card, Caca Breha, birthday cake, Bruntanus, present, Cunla, candle, Shlaunan, slide, Luscan, swing, Su Orishta, orange juice, no lemonade, sometimes we say do lemonade. Agus being that done a canoe, everybody does be singing, agus ag ihe, agus ag all eating and drinking egg and kosher. Egg and kosher is the word here for party that's happening on the here on the screen. So fecin goil mami agus dadji agus carja Shíofra agus Sean Lichéla a ceiliúrú Breithlá. We see that mommy, daddy, Sean and all the friends, Shíofra and Sean's friends, are all egg and kosher, no egg and parchi, sometimes we say as well. Agus talan ruddy lucha ma mord. There's lots of ruddy jassa, love lots of lovely things. Lucha ma mord placed out on the table. Fecum bowl of milkshine, I see a bowl of sweets. Fecum bunoga na blati, buns on the plates. Fecum su orishta agus krushkin ishka. We see a jug there on the table. Agus fecum gwil shide kaihu. Hati kosher, party hats, agus ta chiadach board jazz and mord. There's a lovely tablecloth on the table. Agus fecum gwil a lamb bruntanus fuin mord. There's a lot of presents under the table. Agus fecum gwil lamb balloon an talu. There's lots of balloons on the table. Balloon de ga balloons of every sort of colour. Jarrag, corkra, glass, banjarrag, agus bui, yellow. Agus fecum gwil elfian sin an shelf. Agus fecum gwil oshin wacht in the lee an earlier. I see the per oshin is lying on the ground. Tashi ikinu, he's crying. Mar hitch she he fell. Agus hitch bonoga, his buns fell. Agus hitch bar a chocolate, his chocolate bar. Agus Neil shisasta. Aaron Mord, ag akaji mar seo on the table at all these occasions. Ceiliúr an muidé le caca mór breithe. We always celebrate them with a big, huge birthday cake. Caca mór breithe, a big birthday cake. Agus ta sé conla lasú, bar and caca. There's 6 candles lit at the top of the cake. sé conla lasú 6 candles lit agus tá gatana I canu labrétha chonadit. Everybody is playing, singing happy birthday to you. So Eishtón Majinis done labrétha chonadit. We'll listen now to happy birthday to you. Our nan na Shachtana, our Oran Shachtana, our song of the week, agus and shin Eishtón Majlesh, our Dan na Shachtana as well. Breithlá Sheáin a bhí an ye. My daddy's birthday was yesterday. So La Breitha Sonadich, first of all, our song of the week, happy birthday to you. So we sing it La Breitha Sonadich. So listen to that. So La Breitha Honagich, La Breitha Honagich. So happy birthday to you. We all know the song, boys and girls. So Nabi Buarha Hon Echaneuma. And then the second part of it asks a question. What age are you today? Kian Ishu. Ishu in you. What age are you today? Kian Ishu in you. Kian Ishu. Kian Ishu. So, we all know that one very easy. And now Breithlá Sheáin, my daddy's birthday. And it goes through the words Breithlá Sheáin a bhí an ye. It was my daddy's birthday yesterday. Is rin mawami quiche done tea. And Mammy made a cake for the tea. Hannick and Tiger is Hannick and Bear. The tiger came, the bear came. G-sheed and quiche just na conla go there. They ate the cake and all the candles. So that's our little simple poem of the week. Eishtigi leshanish. Nush na hamvi hadalaba, those bold animals. G-sheet kishta daddy walked the at daddy's cake. So Shaw our nan agus gaffrod and shaktana fashti. So clackti the oklanua. Practice your new words. Agus sasulogum go money shift sultas. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.